Hey Maloleños! Ito I swear pang malakas ang culinary adventure ito. Kita mo yan, may lechonan pa ng kambing at baboy. Sinigang sa sampalok juice. I swear I didn't even wanna ask how it was made. Pero promise, ang sarap nito. Naka 10 glasses yata ako, no kidding. Cheers muna tayo! First of all, I didn't know what to expect when they said we were going to this culinary haven in the mountains of DRT. Sa totoo lang, parang medyo kinabahan ako nung paliit yung kalsada ang dinadaanan namin. Have you guys been to Madrona's Jungle Edge Farm? Isa itong farm-to-table restaurants that is known for its use of fresh, locally sourced ingredients and its commitment to preserving Filipino culinary traditions.
Isang wave po siyan!
Here's a look at the overall experience of Madrona's Lutong Kabundukan. Bumungad sa amin ang very warm welcome ng mag-asawang owner ng Madrona's. The restaurant's open-air setup allows guests to fully immerse themselves in the natural beauty of the surroundings. Itong Madrona's nga pala is not just about food. It's an experience that includes nature trails, cultural performances, and workshops. Look at their plate. It's very organic.
Oh my God. So welcome drinks pa lang. Worth it na ang pag-akyat namin. Sarap.
Pati itong tanglad-infused water, ang sarap.
Medyo matapang lang ho.
Appetizer natin siya ngayon.
Ito po, pili na lang kayo ng suka. Ito ang mga terno natin ng suka. Ito po, lalagyan ng suka. Ito ang mga black-black dito. Nagigas na namin dito sa Julie. Ang ating ito po yung ating Pinoy Korean beef stew. Instead na pares, ito sa atin po sa Pilipino, ang sikat po ay pares. Sa atin po, Pinoy Korean beef stew ang ginawa.
Prepare lang kami ng pagkain na tinatawag namin lutong kabundukan.
Kaya daw siya tinawag na lutong kabundukan dahil lahat ng mga pinangsasahog ay galing lang sa mga pananim sa kanilang 3 hectares na farm.
Ay, nag-slide!
Oh, seryoso na. Try natin itong lumpiang puso ng saging or banana blossom spring roll. Ito ay traditional Filipino dish that uses the heart of the banana flower. It's a vegetarian delight that is both nutritious and flavorful.
Puso ng saging. With cheese and gata.
Isa nga pala sa mga highlights ng Madrona's ay yung tampisaw sa Batis experience, where you can simply enjoy your meal while soaking your feet in a cool mountain stream. Dito naman sa jungle trails nila, you don't just enjoy the scenic views, you also learn about sustainable farming practices while discovering a variety of plants, trees, and wildlife unique to the area. You will also see firsthand how the farmers cultivates its product. They said some of the campers actually picks vegetables and cook it themselves. They also have accommodations for 2 days and 1 night for only 3,000 pesos. They have different type of cottages depending on your budget. Given the dining setup and popularity, make sure you book in advance.
Tingin po, kape, lagyan natin.
Yan yung... Oh, ito rin po.
So whether you're a foodie, a nature lover, or just someone looking for a peaceful retreat,
Diba maganda yung tama lang ang init
this restaurant is the perfect destination for a memorable culinary adventure.